Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature, rainfall, and weather patterns across the Earth. It is mainly driven by human activities, though some natural processes also contribute. The following are 8 factors affecting climate change, each explained with a real-life example. 1. Burning of fossil fuels. The burning of coal, oil, and natural gas for electricity, transport, and industry releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Example: coal-fired power plants in China and the USA significantly increase global carbon dioxide emissions. 2. Deforestation. Cutting down forests reduces the number of trees that absorb carbon dioxide, increasing greenhouse gas concentration. Example: deforestation in the Amazon rainforest has contributed to rising global temperatures. 3. Industrial activities. Industries emit greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide during manufacturing processes. Example: cement factories release large amounts of CO2 during production. 4. Agricultural practices. Livestock farming produces methane, while fertilizer use releases nitrous oxide, both powerful greenhouse gases. Example: large cattle farms in Brazil and the USA contribute to methane emissions. 5. Transportation. Vehicles, ships, and airplanes burn fossil fuels, releasing carbon dioxide and other pollutants. Example: traffic congestion in cities like Lagos and London increases urban greenhouse gas emissions. 6. Urbanization. Expansion of cities increases energy consumption and reduces green spaces that absorb carbon dioxide. Example: rapid urban growth in cities such as Accra and Nairobi leads to higher temperatures, urban heat island effect. 7. Waste generation and disposal. Decomposing waste in landfills produces methane gas. Example: open landfill sites in many developing countries release methane into the atmosphere. 8. Use of chemical fertilizers. Nitrogen-based fertilizers release nitrous oxide when they break down in the soil. Example: intensive farming areas in India experience increased greenhouse gas emissions from fertilizer use.